हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्न विद डॉक्टर रेणु भारती। आज हम आ गए हैं फिर से एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ट्रेनिंग। वी विल स्टडी द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ट्रेनिंग इन दिस प्रेजेंटेशन और दिस वीडियो। वी विल स्टार्ट विद मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। Training in human resource development is about equipping employees with the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their roles effectively through systematic instructions and practice. The very first thing is basic concept in human resource development. Training is foundational to human resource development, indicating its importance in its growth and enhancement of employees. Training focuses on developing a specific skills to a desired standard achieved through instruction and practice. Training is an essential tool that enables employees to perform their jobs correctly, effectively. Increasing knowledge and skill. The primary goal of training is to enhance an employee's knowledge and skills required for performing special tasks or jobs. Now comes the definitions of training. Dale S. Beach, he defines training as the organized procedure by which people learn knowledge and skills for a definite purpose. This emphasizes that training is a structured process aimed at achieving specific learning outcomes. Now comes the second one, that is Edwin Flippo. He defines training as the act of increasing the skills of an employee for doing a particular job. This basically highlights the primary objective of training, which is to enhance the skills needed for a specific job function. If we summarize both the definitions, this underlines that training is a systematic process aimed at improving the knowledge and skills necessary for specific purpose or job roles. Now comes the need for training. Every organization should provide training to all the employees irrespective of their qualifications and skills. Specifically, the need for training arises because of the following main reasons. The first one is environmental changes. Mechanization, computerization, and automation have resulted in many changes that require trained staff possessing enough skills. The organization should train the employees to enrich them with the latest technology and knowledge. Second one is organizational complexity. With modern inventions, technological upgradation, and diversification, most of the organization have become very complex. This has aggravated the problems of coordination. So, in order to cope up with these complexities, training has become the mandatory reason. Third one is human relations. Every management has to maintain very good human relations, and this has made training as one of the basic conditions to deal with the human problems. The fourth one is to match the employee specification with the job requirements and the organization needs. As we talk about this, an employee specification may not exactly suit the requirement of the job and the organization, irrespective of the past experiences and skills. There is always a gap between an employee present specification and the organization's requirement. For filling this gap, training is required. Fifth one is change in the job assignment. Training is also necessary when the existing employee is promoted to the higher level or transferred to another department or another location. The training is also required to equip the old employees with the new techniques and technologies. Now comes the importance of training. Training of employees and manager are absolutely essential in this changing environment. It is important activity of HRD, that is human resource development, which helps in improving the competencies of employees. Training gives a lot of benefits to the employees, such as improvement in efficiency and effectiveness, and development of self confidence, and assist everyone in self management. We have certain points like essential in changing environment, improves competency, and third one is benefit to the employees. Benefit such as efficiency and effectiveness increase, self confidence increases, and the self management. Now we have few more points in importance of training. Next is organizational stability and progress. Fifth one is mandatory for expansion and diversification. And last one is adapting to change. Now, the stability and progress of the organization always depends on the training that is imparted to the employees. Training becomes mandatory under each and every step of expansion and diversification. Only training can improve the quality and reduce the wastages to the minimum. Training and development is also very essential to adapt according to the changing environment within the organization or outside the organization. Now comes the types of training. Various types of training can be given to the employees, such as induction training, refresher training, on the job training, vestibule training, and training for promotions. Some of the commonly used training programs are: first one is induction training. This is also known as orientation training, given for the new recruits in order to make them familiarize with the internal environment of the organization. It basically helps the employees to understand the procedure, the code of conduct, the policies existing within the organization. Second one is job instruction training. This training basically provides an overview about the job, and experienced trainers demonstrate the entire job. Addition training is offered to employees after evaluating their performance if it is necessary. Third one is vestibule training. This is the training on actual work to be done by the employee but conducted away from the workplace. Fourth one is refresher training. This type of training is offered in order to incorporate the latest development in the particular field. This training is imparted to upgrade the skills of the employees. This training can also be used for promoting an employee. The last one is apprenticeship training. Apprentice is a worker who spends a prescribed period of time under a supervisor. In this, we have two type of methods. First one is on the job training method, and second one is off the job training method. In on the job training method, we have job rotation, coaching, job instruction, committee assignments, internship training. In off the job training, we have methods like case study, incident training method, role play method, in basket method, business games, grid training, lecture, simulation, management education, and conferences. We will study these type of methods like on the job method and off the job method in our next video. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, thank you. Thank you so much everyone for being in this video for so long. If you are new to the channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, Learn with Dr. Renu Bharti. Thank you so much once again.